Hi little peeps. Today I'm going to read you a bedtime story called The Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in a deep, dark lair, through a long cold winter sleeps a big, brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep, crawls in a cave from the fluffed cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The cold pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop some white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs in that air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and then a wren and a raven flipping in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare strokes the fire, Mouse seasons stew, then a small pep flicker makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls, bear roars and he grumbles, bear stomps and bear growls and he gumbles. "You've sneaked into my lair and you've had all the fun, but me? I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we have brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, and he sighs with delight. Then he spins towels through the night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Good night. And bye. Sleep tight. Don't let the textbooks bite.